Are you constantly battling those afternoon cravings? Do you feel hungry just an hour after eating, even on your GLP-1 medications? Or maybe you're worried about losing muscle as you lose weight. If you answered yes to any of these questions, you are in the right place. Because today I'm talking about high protein snacks that will keep you full without the guilt. Hi, I'm Dr. Baza Khalid, and I'm a board certified internal medicine and obesity medicine specialist. And I see many of my patients struggling with protein, both in the understanding regarding what is protein, as well as confusion and questions about how to get enough protein. So in today's video, I'll talk about what is protein and why it's the undisputed king of macronutrients for weight loss, why protein is extra important when you are on medications like Ozempic, Mounjaro, or Zepbound, my top 10 delicious, easy, and mostly whole food high protein snack ideas that will actually keep you full and satisfied. Plus, I'll debunk some common protein myths and I'll tell you the crucial questions to ask your doctor at your next trip. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is protein? Think of protein as the building blocks of your body. Protein is not just for muscles. It makes up your skin, hair, enzymes, hormones, and even parts of our immune system. Every single cell in our body needs protein to function. So why is protein the most important macronutrient for weight loss? Number one, protein is a satiety powerhouse. Protein is incredibly filling. It signals to the brain that you're full much more effectively than carbohydrates or fats. This means when you eat protein, it leads to fewer cravings and less overeating. Number two, protein thermogenic effect. This means your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does digesting carbohydrates or fats. It's like a metabolic mini workout just by eating protein. Number three, protein is crucial for muscle protection. When you're losing weight, especially rapidly, especially when you're on GLP-1, GIP medications, your body can break down muscle along with fat. Adequate protein intake helps preserve that precious muscle mass, which is vital for a healthy metabolism. More muscle equals more calories burned at rest. Now, if you are on a GLP-1 or GLP-1 GIP medication like semaglutide, which is the active ingredient for Ozempic and Wegovy, or tirzepatide, which is the active ingredient for Mounjaro or Zepbound, protein becomes even more important. Let me tell you why. Number one, reduced appetite. GLP-1 GIP medications drastically reduce your appetite, which is great for weight loss. But it can make it really hard to eat enough protein. And if you are not intentional, you might fill up on smaller, less nutritious foods, missing out on protein. Number two, preventing muscle loss. The weight loss on GLP-1 GIP medications can be very significant and rapid. And without sufficient protein, you risk losing a higher percentage of muscle mass, which can slow your metabolism long-term and affect your strength. Number three, side effect management. Protein can actually help manage some of those common side effects on GLP-1 medications. Bland, protein-rich foods are often better tolerated when you are feeling nauseous, and consistent protein intake helps stabilize blood sugar, which can combat fatigue. Tell me in the comments, have you noticed it's harder to get enough protein on your GLP-1 GIP medications? What are your current struggles? Here are my top 10 protein snacks perfect for anyone on a weight loss journey, especially those on GLP-1 GIP medications. Number one, Greek yogurt. Look for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, and you can top it with berries. Now, Greek yogurt can provide 15 to 20 grams of protein. Why I love it? It's super versatile. Yogurt is packed with probiotics and very filling. The berries add natural sweetness and fiber. Number two, hard-boiled eggs. 2 hard-boiled eggs, around 12 grams of protein. Why I love it? Hard-boiled eggs are portable, convenient, and a complete protein source. You may boil a batch for the week. You can eat them as such or make them into an easy snack by mixing with some canned tuna and some cabbage for crunch. Number three, cottage cheese with a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning. A small bowl of cottage cheese has around 12 to 15 grams of protein. Why I love cottage cheese? It's a classic for a reason. Cottage cheese is high in casein protein, which digests slowly, keeping you full. The seasoning adds a savory kick. You can actually add cottage cheese to your eggs, pasta sauce, and soups to add protein. Number 4, edamame, steamed or dry roasted. Bowl of edamame can provide around 11 grams of protein per cup. Why I love edamame, it's a great plant-based option, fiber-rich and very satisfying to snack on. Number 5, turkey or beef jerky. Make sure it's low sodium and no added sugar. About 10 grams of protein per ounce of beef jerky or turkey jerky is what you get. Why I love it? It's an excellent on-the-go snack option when you need something quick and savory. Please read labels carefully and go for low sodium and no added sugar options. Number 6, Fairlife milk. It's ultra filtered milk with 13 grams of protein per cup. Why I like it? It's milk with double the protein and half the sugar. It's great for smoothies or just a quick protein boost. Number 7, smoked salmon on cucumber slices. Smoked salmon can give you 7 to 8 grams of protein per ounce. Why I love it? Salmon has healthy fats, your omega-3s, and cucumber or bell pepper may add a delicious, refreshing crunch. Number 8, protein smoothies with unflavored protein powder along with your favorite additives like spinach for a green smoothie or berries with some unsweetened almond milk. Protein powder can give you around 20 to 30 grams of protein depending on the product that you use. Why I love protein powder is it's very customizable. You can blend it with what you have on hand or what you like. It is easy to digest and a great way to sneak in greens or fiber sources. I'm personally always on search for new protein powders. Let me know in the comments which protein powders you like the best and why. Number 9, chickpea salad with celery and lemon juice. Small bowl of chickpea can provide 7 grams of protein per half cup. Why I love it? It's a plant-based alternate to tuna salad. It is loaded with fiber and plant protein. You can add celery or cabbage for crunch and color. Number 10, tuna pouch in water with Dijon mustard. Now this is one of my favorites. Tuna pouch can give you 15 to 20 grams of protein. Why I love it? It's super convenient, cheap, and a lean protein powerhouse. Perfect for a desk snack or even lunch. On the days when I don't know what to eat, especially when I'm short on time, it usually comes down to tuna salad. Now to make your protein snacks work their magic, here are some quick do's and don'ts. Do's are, do aim for 15 to 20 grams of protein per snack. Your plant sources may fall a little short, but this is a good number to aim for. Do pair your protein with fiber sources like vegetables or fruits for extra fullness. Do prepare your snacks in advance for easy access. Don'ts are, don't rely on processed protein bars with tons of sugar and artificial ingredients. Let's be honest, not all protein bars are created equal, so if you find something with clean ingredients, then by all means go for it. Another don't is don't let snacks replace your main meals, and don't forget to listen to your body's hunger cues, especially on GLP-1 medications. Let's quickly tackle some common protein myths. Myth is too much protein is bad for your kidneys, while the fact is for healthy individuals, studies show consistently no adverse effects on kidney function from high protein intake. If you have pre-existing kidney disease, always consult with your doctor. Another myth is protein powder is unnatural. While the fact is protein powder is simply a concentrated food source, it's safe and effective when used as a supplement to whole foods. Although you need to read labels carefully as not all protein powders are created equal. Let me know in the comments which protein powder you like the best and why. To ensure you are on the right track, here are some questions to ask your doctor or your dietitian. What is my ideal daily protein target, especially with my current weight loss goals? Should I be concerned about muscle loss, and how can we monitor it? And are there any specific protein sources or supplements you recommend for me? I hope after watching this video, you now have the ultimate protein snack list. This, of course, is not an exhaustive list. I want to know which of these snacks are your favorite. Or do you have a go-to high protein snack I missed? Share it in the comments below. If this video helped you feel more confident about fueling your body for weight loss, please hit that like button, subscribe for more doctor-approved health and weight loss tips. Stay happy, stay healthy and well. See you in the next one. Bye for now.